It's not a good sign and probably a sign of a transmission fluid leak if you see a tiny pool of red fluid beneath your car. In addition to leaving stains on your garage floor or driveway, fixing the leak and changing the fluid can be very expensive. Keep watching to learn why transmission fluid leaks and how much it will cost to fix. But just before we start, please ensure you've subscribed to the channel. Loose or stripped drain plug. A leak may result from improperly tightened bolts or the drain plug in your transmission. This frequently occurs immediately following a transmission fluid change. Over-tightening can occasionally strip the bolt or plug, which also results in a leak. This can also occur if you begin with a slightly loose plug or bolt, a simple fix, and wind up stripping and over-tightening the plug bolt, a more challenging fix. Fluid can escape through the drain plug area if it is either over-tightened or under-tightened. Worn or cracked transmission seals. To maintain hydraulic pressure, an automatic transmission depends on a number of seals, but over time these seals may deteriorate and crack, particularly if the incorrect transmission fluid is used or they are regularly exposed to high temperatures. The input shaft seal, output shaft seal, shifter housing seal, tail housing seal, speedometer input seal, and valve body are among the common places where seals fail. Furthermore, overfilling your transmission fluid can simulate a seal leak by forcing fluid past the seals and creating excessive system pressure. Damaged transmission fluid lines. A transmission's fluid lines, which transport fluid between the transmission and the cooler, are usually composed of steel or aluminum. Despite their general durability, these lines may experience issues due to corrosion if you drive close to the ocean or in areas where road salt is used. Large-scale road debris damage, frequently being exposed to intense heat cycles. Deterioration at the points of connection. Damaged torque converter. Transmission fluid is propelled throughout the system by the torque converter. Transmission fluid leakage may occur if the torque converter develops a crack in its housing or if internal parts like needle bearings are damaged. Usually complicated, torque converter problems call for specific equipment and knowledge to be identified and fixed. Because of where the converter is located in the transmission system, changing it typically requires taking the transmission out of the car. For these reasons, it's usually best to leave torque converter repairs to the experts. Faulty transmission pump. Fluid is circulated throughout the system by the transmission pump. Fluid leaks may result if it malfunctions. Common problems include cracked pump housings, worn pump gears, and damaged seals. Low fluid pressure, slipping transmission, and strange noises are indicators of a malfunctioning pump in addition to fluid leakage. It's best to leave this task to the experts because, like many transmission-related problems, replacing a transmission pump is difficult and typically necessitates removing the transmission. Faulty transmission pan gasket. Damage, a manufacturing flaw, improper gasket alignment from a prior installation, or just general wear from prolonged exposure to high temperatures can all cause the gasket on your transmission pan to leak. Thankfully, replacing the pan gasket can be done on your own and is reasonably priced. A new one should be installed as soon as possible because more significant issues will probably arise shortly. Damaged transmission pan. Over time, leaks may appear in transmission pans. Usually corrosion is the cause of this, particularly in older cars or those that are driven on salted roads. Although rare, particularly with OEM parts, manufacturing flaws can also result in weak spots that eventually leak. The pan may get dented or cracked in certain situations due to impact damage from road hazards like running over a curb or a large rock, or incorrect vehicle jacking. Cost to fix. The cost of fixing a transmission fluid leak varies greatly due to the wide range of causes and severity. The cost of parts and labor for simple repairs like changing a transmission seal, pan gasket, or drain plug could range from $200 to $450. However, more complicated problems can cost a lot more. Repairing damaged fluid lines, $300 to $800. Replacing a failed transmission pump, $800 to $1,500. Fixing or replacing a cracked torque converter, $600 to $1,200. If the transmission case is cracked or there's severe internal damage, a full transmission replacement might be necessary. This can cost anywhere from $1,500 to $3,500 for a rebuilt transmission, or $30 to $800 for a new one, depending on your vehicle make and model. Be aware that these are approximations. Your location, the shop you select, and the particular needs of your car can all affect the final cost. A trustworthy mechanic should always provide a thorough quote before beginning any repairs. Hope the information was helpful, and you will press the like button and subscribe to the channel.